Well, hiya, today is post-op day 2. So I didn't intend to do anything with my hair, but I had to make a quick run to do some things. So I decided to just slick it back and do something really low maintenance. Maybe I'll show you guys a scale of high maintenance, low maintenance, middle maintenance type of hairstyles, because I feel like there's variations to this thing. My hair is moisturized, but this is post-op day 237. Didn't do much to it today. Of course, low maintenance, nothing much to my hair. I did use a soft styler just to slick it back just a little bit, but nothing much going on today. This is post-op day 238. I am in the process of getting ready for an event. As you guys can see, my hair is blown out and I kind of just put a flat iron to it, nothing bone straight. I just needed to get it as straight as possible because I'm going to be wearing it in a ponytail. But I had to get the back as sleek as possible, which feels really great. So I'm feeling very great about the hairstyle. So I'm going to be wearing a ponytail, but the ponytail is kind of like, it's kind of slightly kinky, but it's kind of straight at the same time. It's kind of hard to tell, but I will be showing you guys later on how the end result of all the slicking and everything like that. I'm still going to be slicking it down with my edge control and then going around the perimeters with my real edge control, because that's some good stuff that I don't want to waste. I know y'all probably wonder what happened to me yesterday. I got so overwhelmed and I'm tired. As y'all can see, I'm really sleepy, but my hair was a tremendous success. I actually like the slick back look. I feel like it's not as, I feel like I'm not fighting my hair, obviously, but it slicked down so perfectly with the technique that I told you guys about, just using a different type of gel. I'll show you guys the different type of gels that I used, but I used 2 different gels. Nothing water-based, only like a little pomade type of gel. It was a great event for me today, but this is post-op day 240. Isn't the slick back nice? I like it. I like it. So I didn't do anything today. Today was not my day. I was not feeling my best. So I just stayed at home, kept my hair wrapped up as much as possible. This is post-op day 241. So I just refreshed my slick hair. It wasn't that hard actually. I just used my soft styler, a little water, tied my hair down, and everything was molded back to normal. Nothing per usual, but this is post-op day 242. My hair is starting to fall apart though, but luckily tomorrow we gotta wash our hair anyway. Today was Wash Reset Sunday. As you guys can see, I got a chance to do that. However, I feel like I have encountered several earaches on behalf of these wash days. I've been washing my hair so much, but I feel like it's been really irritating my ear. I had the hugest clot in my ear, and I'm really in so much pain. But I don't know if you guys experienced this. Let me know if you guys experienced this. This has been kind of a quiet week. I really haven't done too much to my hair, other than sleeking it back and actually styling it with it being straightened. But other than that, today was low maintenance, but this is post-op day 243. And I will see you guys next week.